Hi everyone, so welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So for those who don't know me yet, well, my name is Juliana De Carpio, and for today's video guys, since last time I even shared to you guys where to apply a tourist visa, and today I'm going to share to you guys some tips or what are the things that you need to consider before applying a tourist visa or subclass 600 here in Australia. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do guys is check your passport. Ayan, so super important talaga yung passport. Ayan, so make sure that your passport is valid 6 months before the expiration. So kung sa tingin nyo na yung passport nyo guys is 3 months, after 3 months pa siya mag-expire, na yung pwede. So dapat 6 months valid before expiration. Ayan. So the next thing, I even have my little código. Ayan. So the next thing is, since you're applying for a tourist visa, so you really need to have proofs that you have enough money to stay and live Australia. Ayan. So since magtutour ka lang dito sa Australia guys, you really need to proof or submit proofs. Ayan, submit proofs na you have enough money. Ayan, for yourself pagpunta mo sa Australia and even leaving Australia. Ayan, so we're gonna tackle about it next time. What are the proofs that you can even submit guys to the immigration? Okay, so the third one is you need to have proofs that you are a genuine visitor. Alam naman natin na not only in Australia, na some of our countries na nag-apply sila ng tourist visa, pagdating sa Australia, pagdating sa ibang bansa is nagti-TNT sila. Yung ginagamit nila yung tourist visa to apply work or to apply a job outside the country, which is hindi talaga yun pwede. Kasi kapag tourist visa ka is nakalagay talaga condition sa visa mo na bawal ka maghanap ng trabaho dito. Ayan. So you need to have a proof that you're really a genuine visitor, that you are not even having any interest to work here with tourist visa. Ayan. Papakita mo sana hindi mag-travel lang talaga ako or mag-visit lang talaga ako sa boyfriend ko or kaibigan ko. So, okay. So, the next one is ito. Pinaka-importante talaga to guys. You really need to prove. Ayan. Kailangan lahat ng proofs na ilagay nyo na. You really need to have a proofs that you have reason to return home. So, hindi ka magstay dito. Since nga, mag-apply ka ng tourist visa, so, wala kang balak magstay or mag-overstay. Ayun. According dun sa binigay lang example na approve ka ng 1 year multiple tourist visa or 3 months multiple entry within 1 year, ganon. So, make sure na kapag pumapasok ka dito is make sure is aalis ka rin ng bansa. I mean, babalik ka rin sa bansa ng in 3 months. Example, 3 months na, kailangan within 3 months is lalabas ka. Then, like, you know, so hindi ka magsisinungaling or sasabihin na hindi ka na uwi ng Pinas. Kasi nga, hindi ka pwede magstay dito for a long period of time kapag hindi ka naman din na-approve ng a year or ganun. So, limited lang talaga yung stay mo since nga, tourist visa lang. Ayun. And ilan na? And the next is you really need to have your itinerary guys. Ayun, super helpful yun. Ginawa ko talaga yun. So, your plan while in Australia. So, you have to make an itinerary kung ano. Halimbawa, you will stay in Australia for a month. So, you really need to write it down or like, you know, kung ano ba yung mga plans, yung mga activities na gagawin nyo dito sa Australia. And the last one, if you guys have if you are having sponsor, you really need an invitation letter from your sponsor, or if you have family that you want to visit here in Australia, so you really need to have an invitation letter. So that's for today's guys, and I do really hope that this video will help you on applying tourist visa and one thing lang na i-advise ko sa inyo guys, do your own research kasi yun talaga is makakatulong talaga yun sa pag-apply. Especially for those who are first timer on applying a tourist visa. Ayan, so do your own research. Yun lang talaga. So again guys, thank you so much for watching and muchas gracias and muchos besos. Bye-bye!